Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
What's up?
So today we're trying something new. We're just pretty much driving around while answering some questions because we're original like that. Well, we're not really driving around, we're actually going somewhere. We're checking out this place that sells
Like sinks and shower heads and stuff.
So we're moving again. We're moving next month, so we're just trying to find some new stuff for our new bathroom. So yeah, I thought that this would be a good opportunity for us to drive around and make a new video. So we've got some questions from our friends and we're just going to answer it while we drive around. Don't worry, we're not gonna be singing in this car, so it's not a carpool karaoke. Where is the love? The first question is, how did you two meet and what do you guys do for a living and what's next? It was at our first church, SCWC, back in Sydney. So I have to say, it's not love at first sight. I think for both of us, we had this conversation. At first, I thought Stan was gay. So yeah, I didn't see him in that way whatsoever.
Yeah, so that's basically how we met. So basically, yeah, from my side, I came from Perth, had a mutual friend in Sydney. He took me to church, I think the second week I was in Sydney. And then we kind of met at a restaurant after church, and basically the rest is history.
And what do we do for a living? So basically we're in the process of starting a new brand for personal care products. So the easiest way to describe it is we're trying to make an Indonesian Aesop.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, good quality ingredients that, you know, basically essentially won't break the bank.
That's it. So it's like Aesop for everyone. So that's what we're doing now. In terms of what's next, I guess I don't really know what's next. We don't really know what's next because, you know, it's a very weird time right now. We don't know what's gonna happen in next year or let alone 5 years. So yeah, I guess we'll see. We're pretty much just doing what we can now, just building this brand and hopefully building something strong enough so that if we were to move back to Sydney, we've got a solid foundation here in Indonesia. And yeah, I guess I don't know what's next, to be honest. All right, second question.
Okay, so what would we rather do? Would we go back to 10 years old knowing what we know now? Or would you be 45 with $100 million in your bank?
Easy answer. First option. Option A. I'd rather go back in time, be 10 again, knowing what I know now. Because I think if, I don't know, at least I would like to think this. If I was to go back to when I was 10, knowing what I know now, hopefully I can make more than $100 million in my bank. First of all, I would invest in Bitcoin.
No, but if you go back to when you're 10, it's an open-ended question because it doesn't say in what year you turned 10. Like if you were 10...
No, as in like when you were 10, back when you were 10.
Oh,
so
right.
Like for me, it would be 2003.
Yeah,
Imagine being 10 again, waiting for a few years and then investing in Bitcoin.
Yeah.
And then you could easily make $100 million.
Totally, you would know the future.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, I would do that. And like, why would you want to be 45? You don't even know how you're gonna live when you're 45. It could be like a sad 45.
You have $100 million in your bank, but yeah.
But still, you could be like, you know, alone and stuff like that.
Yeah, no, but yeah, same with me. Like, I would rather be 10 years old. But I initially thought when I read the question, you were 10 years old today. So I didn't know we would go back in time. But yeah, if we went back in time knowing what we know now, yeah, obviously, it's like you're basically God.
That brings us to our third question.
Good segue.
If you were God, what would you change in this world?
I think for me it's I don't want to sound like a Miss World pageant contestant.
World peace.
But I think it would be like end racism and like discrimination somehow. Because I think at the crux of it, like if you didn't have any racism and if you had no discrimination towards one another, and especially in like today's society with everything that's going on, like if we had like literally, this is like a world pageant answer, but
pretty much.
Yeah, if you had everyone just like treating others equally, you would have none of this bullshit, basically. What's wrong with the world, mama? People feel like they ain't got no mamas.
I think
The whole world's addicted to the drama. Only attracted to things that'll bring us trauma. Overseas, you're trying to stop terrorism. We're still
you practice what you preach, but you turn the other cheek. Where is the love? Alright, so my answer is, if I was God, what I would change about the world, I would change. I think that everyone should have access to education. Or the same access to education, because I think that education is like the root of it all. I remember I had this essay when I was doing my first IELTS test. I think I told you this before. I think education is the root of global warming, and for people who don't have access to adequate education, they won't have access to employment. People need money to eat, and because they don't have jobs, they need somewhere else to get money from. Criminal rate gets higher, and because criminal rate is high, people don't want to be walking around the street, and they'd rather drive because it's safer, or at least that's how it is in Indonesia. And because everyone thinks the same way, pollution gets higher. I don't know, I think I should run for president in like 2020. I don't even know when the next election is, but yeah, I think I should run for president next. Alright, so we're almost here, so we'll answer the next few questions after this. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay, we're back. So now we're just getting some McDonald's. So we're just trying out some of the new Indonesian Independence Day special menu.
Sorry kak, masih ada McFlurry teh botolnya nggak ya?
Masih ada. Itu satu. Burger nasi gorengnya satu. Sama kentang goreng gulai gurih, kentang goreng gulai gurih ya satu. The usual procedure whenever you get delivery.
Oh, I think it's a shaker fries. So we've got the fries and it's a shaker. Shaker.
It smells good.
Yeah, it's McDonald's fries.
Just like a combination of like all the three things we ordered.
Ah, pepper. Can you smell it?
I can smell it.
Ooh. Damn. So that's the fries. And where's the ice cream? Where's the ice cream? Oh, here. I don't know if you're supposed to get the Oreo or the other one. So they've got two options for the Teh Botol saucer. So Teh Botol saucer is basically like a very nostalgic drink that you get with everything in Indonesia. It goes with everything, literally.
It's basically just like really sweet tea.
Yeah, like
your Lipton equivalent.
True. And we've got the Nasi Goreng burger, which is the special one, meaning that it comes with an egg.
Woo! Egg! Looking forward to that one.
Yes, sir. So there's like cucumber, egg. Where's the meat? Oh, it smells very sweet actually. Yeah.
To be fair, it doesn't taste like nasi goreng.
It tastes like nasi goreng in the sense that it tastes like kecap manis.
It actually tastes like black pepper crab.
Yes, black pepper. It looks like a very, I don't know, it doesn't really look like anything. I can kind of see specks of like spices. It smells like curry, basically.
What's this one meant to be?
Gulai. Gulai something. Gulai is kind of like curry, I think. And it tastes very barbecuey and
Yeah, this is kind of like your barbecue.
has that slight curry sort of spice. The next question is, oh, this is a good one. If you can commit a crime, any crime, for a day and not get arrested. It's not one crime, it's any crime for a day. What would you do?
You know what? I would go into a big company. I would see like all their deepest, darkest secrets and whatnot, and then I would play with the stock market.
That's actually a good idea. Ooh, I'd probably rob like a jewelry store or something. So that's the extent of my like criminal fantasy, I guess. Okay, next one. Share one fun fact about each other that no one knows.
I have one.
Hold on, before you do that, before you share with everyone, you want to try this? This is
okay.
really freaking good.
Okay. Oh shit, hold on. Ah.
This tastes like if soft serve gets married with jasmine tea, like a very intense jasmine tea.
Oh yeah, I'm a fan of that. It's actually really nice. Have some more.
And with the Oreo, you can't really taste the cookie, but it gives it a really nice crunch. Is this like an Indonesian thing? Have you guys tried it? Like fries with soft serve?
Yeah, it's an international thing.
Oh, it's an international thing.
Yep.
I think it's the best combo, man. Fun fact about...
I have one.
Okay.
Steph hates the grass. Like,
what's fun about that?
I mean, it's a fact.
It's a fact.
It's fun. So back in Sydney, when we used to play, for example, frisbee, like we would play it in a park, and then if someone throws the frisbee to Steph, no matter how far it is from her, she won't jump for it.
Whoa. The camera just slides. Lol. First Stan, fun fact. Again, it's not a fun fact, it's just a fact. Like a very weird fact about Stan. He likes a toilet bowl. He finds comfort in toilet bowls.
Oh yeah. No, yeah, I think you have to elaborate. Like, comfort in toilet bowls.
Apparently this is like quite common for guys. Well, I guess this is like a lot more intense for Stan. He has peace in his heart whenever he knows that there's a toilet bowl nearby. Because he finds comfort. What I mean by that is, whenever he gets stressed, whenever he gets nervous, whenever he eats something, he likes to sit down on a toilet bowl. He just finds it peaceful, right?
I have good bowel movements. So I find it peaceful knowing that wherever I am, there's a toilet nearby.
No, the thing is, it's not about his bowel movement. It's just that even if he doesn't have to go, he'd sit on it anyway. Yeah, that's like a very weird fact about Stan.
Ya.
Izin dulu Pak ya.
Iya. Oke, masih.
Another fun fact about myself is I'm gonna stop this video now. Bye!